So hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie, if you're new to this channel. So today I am doing this half cut crease gold and like really warm in the eyes. And if you haven't noticed, I got new lighting. I have like a softbox that's right behind the camera, so everything on me looks a lot more warm, but I kind of like it. It makes me look a little more tan. Anyways, everything should be a lot brighter. Hopefully the camera quality looks better with the new lighting, but I have no idea because this camera is just like the same old camera that I'm always using. I also started including like what brushes I use, and if I don't say it, I'm just gonna like insert the name like right there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. If you want to get this look or just watch me do my makeup, then please keep watching. I'm just going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take Raw Sienna, which is this shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to be using my Sephora Pro brush in number 19. Oh, I forgot to put tape. Now going into my Colourpop Yes Please palette. I know this is gross and really disgusting. I'm going to be taking the shade Spoiled, which is that red. So I'm just going to be putting that like up into my crease and a little bit on the outer corner. And now I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D concealer in L9 Neutral, and I'm going to put that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to cut half my crease with it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend this in. It's still not even, but honestly I don't care anymore. And I'm going to set it with a bit of face powder, some Maybelline loose finishing powder in Fairlight. I'm just going to go into my Anastasia PRISM palette. It's a limited edition palette. I'm gonna take Pyramid, which is this gold shade, and I'm going to be putting that where the crease is cut. Let's see how it applies dry. And I need to wet the brush. So actually I'm just going to take my Kat Von D Saint Center palette, and I'm just going to take Relic. Going back into my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take Red Ochre, which is this one, and I'm going to put that like just on the outer corner to deepen up, give my eye a little bit of depth, as well as blend that gold. Going back with Spoiled, I'm just going to be blending Red Ochre out. And then going back with Raw Sienna, I'm gonna blend that out. So now I'm gonna go into my PRISM palette again, and I'm gonna take the shade Obsidian, and I'm going to be putting that on the very, very outer corners of my eye. I'm still trying to finish up this sample size of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing two foundations. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 125 Nude Beige. Just going to be mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth in 130 Buff Beige. Yeah, so dewy and smooth, matte. Oh my god. taking my damp beauty blender that I said was clean, but it was only like kind of clean. I'm going to be brightening my whole face even though I don't need any more brightening, but this seemed to tan up a little bit, like, yeah, so I'm going to be using like a really light concealer, but like, where did it go? Yeah, like I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in, again, L9, but like, I'm going to mix it with some Urban Decay Naked Skin in Light Neutral. I've had this for so long. I've had this for a year. And I'm also going to be putting the concealer all the way up into my inner corners because there was no shadow there, so I want to prep it for like an inner corner highlight. My face as well, so like in between my eyebrows on my forehead, down the center of my nose, over here, smile lines, whoops, smile lines, and then my chin, so it looks like I have a mustache. Chrissy, don't I look great right now? And then now using my Kat Von D concealer, which is a lot lighter, but it has more coverage. I'm gonna be just dotting a few dots, like on the very highlighty spots. And I'm gonna put some there, whoa, there, here, and on the tip of my nose. Eyeliner. But anyways, I'm gonna be using the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. So now that I got my eyeliner on, it took forever and it's still probably a little bit uneven. Sorry, I know I'm moving around a lot, but I'm gonna be putting on my eyelashes now. The Huda Beauty eyelashes, the faux mink ones in Jade number 13. And now I'm just gonna do my bottom lash line. And I'm gonna take my Sigma E30 and taking the Modern Renaissance palette again and Red Ochre, I'm just gonna do the lower lash line. I'm going to take that really big fluffy brush again, and I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze up my face. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm going to take the shade Fawn and contour my face with it. And now I'm going to take my Anastasia blush kit, the Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Terrace. I'm going to be taking the shade Terrace and putting that on my cheeks. I'm going to be using a new thing that I have, but everyone else has been, they've had it for like a billion years. I'm going to take the Sleek highlighting palette in Solstice. It says avoiding contact with eyes, whatever, I don't care. I'm going to use this for an inner corner highlight, and I'm going to be taking the more champagne-y shade of the bit and using my pinky there. My finger's glowing, and I was gonna like dot that. And then that's it. Now my inner corners are very glowy. But I'm going to be highlighting my face as well with that shade. And now I know why everyone loves this highlighting palette, because damn. And now that I have like a softbox, you can actually see it. But using my pinky again, I'm just going to highlight my nose with it. And for lips, I'm just going to be mixing 2 lip glosses together, and I'm going to be mixing the Colourpop and KathleenLights lip gloss in Lumiere. And I'm also going to be mixing Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. And I have like no lips, so lining them is a little weird. And as you can see, the pink doesn't really match the rest of my face. And I'm wearing a red shirt, so it's like, oh my god, what is that? But anyways, going in with Sugar Sugar. It's the final look, and I know my hair is like kind of gross, but I just took it out of my ponytail. What is that? It's my hair. But anyways, this is, I have no idea what to call it. It's just like a half cut crease gold, because I don't know. But yeah, I haven't been filming a lot lately, but I hope to get better at that. And I know I've been posting only like 2 times a month, but better than no time, right? So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would be appreciated, and I'll see you in my next video. That is hopefully soon. Bye.